What's up everyone, welcome to this video. In this video I will show you how to use built-in compass in Samsung Galaxy S25 or Plus. So first of all, open settings. Now in settings, scroll down and here tap on display. Now scroll down and here tap on edge panels and turn on this on off button on the top and then tap on panels. Now from here select the tools panel and after selecting open the edge panel. So tap on handle and from here change the color of the handle to be visible, and after that open the edge panel and swipe left or right to look for the tools panel. So this is the panel with compass. Now tap on next and here you can see the compass is opened. Now you can rotate your phone to use the compass. So that's how you can use built-in compass in Samsung Galaxy S25 or Plus. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.